Here's a certified 2017 Cadillac XT5. The distinctive exterior lends itself to more balance on the road and greater space inside, while the engine delivers excitement behind the wheel. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. V6 engine, sport suspension, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. The only thing better than owning a Cadillac is driving a Cadillac. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today. Call us today at 813-565-0102.